Today I'd like to talk to you about how to use our face serum and hydrating mist together to make a fresh cream right on the skin. This is a very popular combination here at Leaf People. So after cleansing and or toning, if you do the toning step, you would then take the hydrating mist and pump 2 to 3 times on the face. And then while the skin is still wet, you would add one of our oil-based serums to this, which is our Transform Serum or our Green Tea Reishi Face Serum. Likewise, you could use any of our face oils. And then, as I just did, you would apply a couple drops of the serum over the hydrating mist and rub that in together, and you're effectively making a fresh face cream right on the skin. This is a beautiful way to get all of the nutrients and great absorption between these two products because they'll combine on the skin and go in together, and they provide a really beautiful and radiant result.